Hello, my name is Christine Tudhope and I am the founder and chief disruptor of UPvisor. And our heart is to raise a generation of employable and enterprising youth that are excellent at what they do, that are well skilled, and that feel like they have a meaning and purpose in life. Now, maybe you can relate to that. One of the ways that we do this is by providing training, mentoring, and motivation to corporates and to individuals online, like now, and in person. And we do this in the spheres of finance and technology. As a chartered accountant, I have seen that there is a gap between university and the workplace, and there are many people that feel uncertain about what the future might hold. Now, I'm here to try and help those people, and that person might be you, to help you to discover what it is that you should be doing with your life. So the different offerings that we provide includes things like Excel training, basic, intermediate, and advanced. Okay, and we also do personal finance courses, small business accounting, and one of my favorite ones is an entrepreneurship course. And there's a lot that is coming up with our entrepreneurship course. It's currently a 3-day workshop, but we will be launching a special entrepreneurship retreat to help you to take some time out and actually think about your business plan. So watch this space. So excited about that. We also do some team building stuff, so Minute to Win It, as well as MasterChef, and a facilitated strategy session called a Vision Casting Think Tank. And I'm just so excited to see how we can unlock the potential in both teams and individuals. So if you're looking for any of these services, please contact us. Our details are down below. Like us on Facebook and make sure you're tracking with what we are doing. I look forward to meeting you and to journeying with you on your path to unlocking your full potential.